Well, it's been a busy week of retail earnings with meme stocks throwing a major curveball to the markets. You can see a lot of volatility here, especially in Bed Bath & Beyond down 38%. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Brian Sozzi
What's up,
here
brother?
on set.
Thanks for having me on.
Okay, let's take a zoom out.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're ending the week here. What the heck happened at Bed Bath & Beyond?
Well, I think you just saw a lot of greed out there, and you saw just the meme overlord in Ryan Cohen essentially, I think, play a lot of investors, a lot of his meme crowd and followers for an absolute fool. I mean, you had this filing come out on Monday saying he had out-of-the-money call options, betting for the stock to go over $60 a share. Then he comes out, yesterday after the close, saying he's dumping his 11.8% stake.
He already had.
Yeah. So, I mean, how much trust can you have in Ryan Cohen? And I'll add this, too. I'm tired of everybody calling him an activist investor. He's driven zero change in any company he's been involved with.
Well, but
what has he done at GameStop?
The CEO left. Mark Tritton left.
Is that change? He's not. When I think of change, again, I mentioned this on the 9 to 11. I think of Elliott as a true activist investor. They came in with a position and they got PayPal to slash $900 million in expenses from this model. All Ryan Cohen has did is put a little money behind a beat-up retail stock with a somewhat affordable market cap. Got 3 of his besties on the board here, and he's just out here trading stock. I think he's been a complete failure.
So, I mean, and look, we've seen a lot of people on Wall Street Bets and online, and they're tired of him too. I mean, look, a lot of people resurfacing his tweet from earlier in June, right? Where he was talking about, corporate greed has led to a lot of these executives trying to make a quick, look at this, right? Sick of seeing failed executives make me. Is he one of these failed executives? You tweeted back at him in response to this tweet and said, how do you fix this?
What has he achieved? I understand that he founded Chewy, and I understand that's not going to get me any fans with his meme followers. But if you talk to the folks at Chewy, they don't want anything to do with Ryan Cohen. They will not even acknowledge his existence. The team, executives there in various capacities. A good question. I like to follow up in real time. What's up, bro? Let's go, man. I like these tough questions. It's good. No, but they will not even acknowledge his existence. Really, before he took on this whole other identity here as some form of meme overlord. They don't want anything to do with him, and I think it's quite telling.
Can he pull this again? Because a lot of people on Reddit, we were just showing kind of posts from earlier today, are very upset with him clearly, right? And maybe they're still holding on to Bed Bath & Beyond. Maybe they're still holding on to GameStop here. But he was the meme lord, right? Is there anyone else that people are going to turn to now? Can he pull this type of thing again?
Well, on the other side of the spectrum, you have AMC CEO Adam Aron, who's still leading a public company, and he's very
leaning into these memes now.
Yes, he's very controversial. And on Monday, of course, watch out those ape shares that he created or helped create. They will start trading. They will begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange. But Ryan Cohen has a lot of money. What appears to he has a lot of free time on his hands, and he's out there living in the dark shadows of the internet and tweeting at various times, throwing that money around. Who is to say that he will not pick another target like he did with Bed Bath and run the same playbook?
What's the next meme stock? I see a lot of people going into Weber today.
Weber,
right?
I'd be hesitant to call that a meme stock. I get it; it's funny. It's a grill maker. You can obviously grill meat and hot dogs on it, but I don't quantify that as a true meme stock.
Yeah. Well, and that's the thing. And HKD was not really a meme stock either.
Costs another meme stock.
There's a lot of them. Why do you have the shades? What's up with the shades?
Well, I'm getting ready to get out of here and hit that beach.
Okay. Well, you know what? We'll let you go then.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Yahoo Finance's Brian Sozzi, host of the 9 to 11. Look at the most ambitious crossover event in history going on right over here.
I mean, we're going to hit that internet, man.
All right, let's take a look at markets before we say goodbye on the 11 a.m. Actually accelerating a little bit on Wall Street now. It's not really Brian Sozzi's fault, or is it? I don't know. Dow Jones down 0.8%, S&P down 1.2%, and the NASDAQ down about 2%. By the way, $2 trillion in equity options expiring today. Wonder how much of those are...
excites Ryan Cohen, I bet you.
Yeah, perhaps some of those Bed Bath & Beyond options. But... hey, we'll have more market coverage right here on Yahoo Finance.
Thank you.
Monday, same time, same place. Have a good one.